schools.
What he's doing is he's pouring marshmallows into liquid nitrogen.
Are they big or little?
Little, small ones.
So in first grade we had the colored ones.
Yeah, they're the small colored ones. Hear that? I don't know if you can hear it.
Do they come to schools?
That sound hard or soft?
Hard.
Do they come to schools?
No, I don't think so. I don't know if you asked him to.
I've eaten some of those. 320 below, remember?
Actually, I've eaten these marshmallows before. They're really good. I mean, they taste the same, but they're really cool. See? And then he starts breathing.
Are they cold?
It's pretty fun.
Are they
I've
cold?
done that before.
Are they cold?
Of course they're cold. But anyway, they're fun to play with. I guess you guys really can't taste the marshmallows or experience that. But you get the point. See, I think this is the last one. Bye.